Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.01. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 69.67% since we first listed D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 18 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.87% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 88% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from around 1.9% to 113.73%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 158.84%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance is expected to vary between 9.03% and 183.65% over the coming year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $19.28 and $50.15. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock after gaining 3.33%. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price increased by 3.33% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, rising from $17.11 to $17.68. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock will take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.1%. with a low of $16.68 and a high of $17.70. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and has increased by 34.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 57 million shares exchanging hands for approximately $1 billion and $10 million. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $19.77 and a low of 75.1 cents. Currently, the price is 10.55% or $2.09 below the 52-week high of $19.77, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated, traded under the symbol QBTS, continues to gain momentum in the market. Recent indicators showcase strong performance and significant interest from institutional investors. As of the 2nd of June, the stock is drawing attention for its remarkable growth, having surged by over 1,154% over the past year. This rise is a testament to the wealth-creating potential in the technology sector. Such growth coincides with a broader bullish sentiment in the market, fueled by solid economic indicators and the ongoing artificial intelligence revolution, positioning QBTS favorably for both short-term trading and long-term investment. Moreover, the involvement of major institutional players like the CalSTRS pension fund and billionaire investor Israel Englander adds credibility and attracts more attention from potential investors. Their purchases signal confidence in D-Wave as a key player in the quantum computing realm, expected to redefine technology and innovation. In the short term, these dynamics could lead to further price appreciation as more investors scramble to secure shares, creating upward pressure on the stock. Long-term, as quantum computing technology progresses and integrates deeply with artificial intelligence, QBTS could establish itself as a cornerstone of a transforming market landscape, potentially unlocking trillions in value, thus solidifying its status as a critical player in the tech industry. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was also reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, Benchmark additionally assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, with the price-to-book ratio receiving the same designation. Regarding return on investment, analysts have classified the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be corrections downward, support is expected at $17.33 and $10.90. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day despite a rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 7.14%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 76 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average has a buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 149 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $17.55, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.02 between its highest and lowest points, representing an increase of 6.1%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, The next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 5.75 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $18.80. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum faces its first support level at $17.55. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources stands at a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Nguyen Diane, who bought and sold 144,017 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of minus 30.385. In total, insiders acquired 45,739,834 shares and sold 87,114,739 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is established at $16.81, representing a decline of 4.9%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which results in significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 7 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may represent a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open lower by approximately 32.7 cents, starting at $17.35. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.